morning, everyone. So today is Friday. I'm vlogging. I have mentioned this in a few videos, but we are doing year-round homeschooling. We're going to try that out. And one of the reasons I want to do that is because I want to leave one day a week, not necessarily every week, but most weeks, for either field trips or, doctor's appointments, errands, things like that. I feel like with 3 littles, it's easier to just do year-round schooling. And then that way, if one day we're off, we have that opportunity to take the day off. Now, if some days a school day doesn't go as well, then we'll probably do 5 days that week. Or if we have a lot going on in the future, we're getting ready to take like a week break, then we'll probably do like 5 days in a row or whatever. But we already did our 4 days of homeschooling this week and they went well. So we're taking today off to run errands. And I have some exciting news, guys. I have to whisper because the kids are in the room next door. But we are going to Disney tomorrow. My brother texted me and he said, hey, if we have some free tickets. They live really close to Disney. They actually have a Disney channel. I'm going to leave it linked in the description box. It's called A Disney Life for Me. And my sister-in-law, her mom works there and she has some tickets and she thought of us and wanted to give them to us for free. So we're like super excited, totally spontaneous. Yesterday was Thursday. We're going tomorrow. So like less than 48 hours, which is crazy. But the kids don't know because we want to surprise them. So we're going to, I want to run some errands to buy like snacks and things. And it's going to be a day trip. Like we're driving there and coming back the same day because we are crazy people. Anyways, so I am getting ready. That way we can run all those errands. But we were planning on buying like the weekday passes starting in September because Leah turned 5 in June. And we didn't really throw her, like we just had like a really small get together where we normally do like big parties. And then I'm turning 30 in a couple weeks and then Hunter turns 3 at the end of September. So we decided to skip like big parties. We'll cut a cake or whatever for the kids, but skip big parties and instead buy weekday passes to Disney, which is another reason why I want to homeschool 4 days a week and do year round. That way we have that option. But we were planning on getting those in September. Where now I think we might hold off and get them in October because the weather will be not as hot because it's like brutal there right now. So it won't be as bad. And I feel like October, it's so nice because they decorate it for fall and stuff. Ella will be a little bit older. So I think that's what we might do. Like go today or go tomorrow and then buy the tickets in October. So one of the nice things about living in South Florida is the day trips are brutal because the kids are so little and it's still like over 3 hours away from us or like just about 3 hours. But we don't have to pay for a hotel or anything like that. So that is nice. But we try to make Disney trips as affordable for us as possible. So that means we usually pack like breakfast and lunch and snacks. So usually we'll like pick one snack that we want to get at the park and then the rest and then we usually get dinner like at the park or on the way home depending on what time that we leave the park and all of that stuff. So I'm really excited because I already have outfits for the kids that I bought when Target released their Disney line. So I pretty much, although we're not staying, I have to pack a bag just because we're going to be there the whole day. We're leaving at like 5 in the morning. We're going to just take the kids in their PJs. So I still have to like pack clothes and all of that stuff. So I figured it would be fun to take you guys along with us as we run errands and get ready for tomorrow. So we just finished up at the second best place, which is Target. And we got the essentials for the first best place Mommy, that we're going to tomorrow. I got you to me. No, just a second. So we're gonna head home, have lunch. I'll show you guys kind of the meals I have planned for tomorrow. We figure we'll pack breakfast, lunch, and then we'll eat one snack and dinner there at the park, which I mentioned earlier. So I'll show you kind of what I have planned. Nothing healthy, just like simple, easy, and stuff that didn't cost a lot of money. So we're gonna head home, have lunch, and then I'm gonna start prepping for tomorrow. So I have so much to do, but I'm just sitting here playing with Ella with a to-do list a mile long. Sometimes it's so hard to just stop and enjoy. Hi, what are you doing? Sometimes stop and enjoy moments, and I feel like especially with Ella, since she's my third, like I rarely just like sit and spend time with her. So I was just hanging out because she is growing so fast. She's 8 months now, guys. I can't believe it. I feel like I just had her. Yeah, are you such a big girl? Isella so big. Isella so big. So I'm really nervous about taking her on the trip because she hates the car. And I feel like everyone I say that, all three of my kids have always hated, like when they were babies, that first year, they always hated the car. And I feel like most people put their kids in a car so that they fall asleep, but not my kids. They don't sleep in the car. So, like I said, it's an over 3-hour drive, so I'm nervous to see how that goes. But I hope she does okay and that she'll fall asleep because we're leaving really early, and that's going to make for a really long day if she doesn't fall asleep in the car. So, we shall see. We shall see. Are you going to be a good girl? So anyways, I am going to feed Ella, and then I have to make my list of the things I have to pack for tomorrow. And then I have to put the kids down for a nap, and then we have to head to the Dollar Tree. I was going to get the kids some like little activity books at Target, but they were so expensive. So I have to go to the Dollar Tree, and then we have to buy birthday gifts. So I think I'm going to go to TJ Maxx for the birthday gift. So we're going to do that, and then we have to return the car to my parents when Chris gets home, because I am using my parents' car. So that is the plan for the rest of the day, and then I have to clean like a crazy person because the house looks like a bomb went off, like always. So that is what's on the plan for the rest of the day, but all I want to do is take a nap. So we shall see. So I dropped the kids off at my parents' house because they're right down the street from the store that we came to. That way I can run my errands really fast, and I am at Home Goods TJ Maxx, and the fall stuff has arrived. Ella's with me. Just Ella. And I'm so excited for fall. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for fall stuff. Oh my goodness. Makes me so excited. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wait till September, but I'm going to try my best. And can we just say how cute this is? Oh my goodness, how much is this? $19.99. I love that. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm currently packing for our day trip tomorrow. And I just have a bunch of snacks here, and what I like to do is I like to separate them. And I bought, when Target released their Disney line, I bought these because I knew we were going to eventually be going to Disney within the next couple months. So whatever loose snacks there are, I'm going to put in these Ziploc bags because I feel like it makes it more fun. And I also picked up these Mickey goldfish, and then I'll just make separate snack pouches for everyone. So I'll put like each of the kids will have like a bag with their name on it and their snacks, and they could just eat them whenever they want. I wanted to show you what I picked up for the kids for kind of like the trip. For Hunter, I found this book at TJ Maxx, and it's one of those like seek and find, which the kids really like those. So I got the Disney Junior one for Hunter. I thought that was really cute, and I like that they're smaller. I try to get everything like Disney themed. I got him this PJ Masks sticker set from Five Below, and then I just got him a play pack from Five Below. And then for Leah, I got her a set of crayons, a book. This is not Disney themed, but I got it because she's like obsessed with My Little Pony right now. Then this is the one I picked out for Leah, so it has coloring pages and stickers, so that's why I got her the crayons too. And then a play pack, and then I'm just going to pack some books and snacks and hope the trip goes okay. And then when, I also had bought like a long time ago these bags from the dollar store for the kids, so I'm just going to put like books and these things and these bags for each of the kids to have like their own bags. And then when the Disney line at Target came out, I picked up something for each of the kids. So I got this one for Hunter. So this was months ago because I knew we were going to be taking a trip. I didn't know it was going to be this soon, but since the opportunity came for us to have the free tickets, I'm going to go ahead and use these now. So I got this one for Hunter. And I love that they all kind of coordinate, and they're so soft. I'm so sad that the Disney line is not there anymore. It's hard to see the Mickey on this one, but this one's Leah's, and it says Mickey on it. And it's like so soft and lightweight because it's going to be really hot. And then this one for Ella, which I think is adorable. It says live in the dream. So that's what they're going to wear tomorrow. I'm really excited. I'm going to finish packing up. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Definitely check out my video tomorrow because I'm going to be vlogging at Disney and we're super excited. So I still have to finish packing up, pack a few more things for the kids to do in the car, and then I have to pack their PJs, and I want to lay everything out, make sure we have everything we need. I want to pack some toys for Ella too for the trip. So yeah, I have a lot to do and I want to try to get to bed at a decent time. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Definitely make sure you are subscribed so you can see our Disney vlog tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.